This script shows you live airplane traffic on an interactive world map, using real-time data from the OpenSky network. Here's how it works. The script connects to OpenSky and retrieves the current position of aircraft within a region. You can choose from pre-made regions, such as North America, Europe, Asia, or simply select worldwide. By default, the script is set to North America. Once the data is collected, each airplane is plotted on a map with detailed information. The map automatically opens in your browser, and it refreshes every 2 minutes, so you always see live updates. Each marker on the map represents a plane. Clicking on a marker shows a pop-up with details like the aircraft's altitude, speed, vertical climb or descent rate, heading, squawk code, origin country, and more. Different icons and colors help highlight special cases. For example, planes that are on the ground are shown in green. Airborne planes use blue icons, rotated in the direction they're heading. Emergency squawk codes such as 7700, which signals a general emergency, or 7500, which signals a hijacking, appear in red for quick recognition. Helicopters use a helicopter icon, while other planes use either a jet or a standard airplane symbol. At the top of the script, you'll find the configurable settings. Here you can change the region, the map's starting zoom, how often the browser refreshes, and whether to use US units like miles per hour and feet, or metric units like meters per second. The map is saved inside a folder called Planes as an HTML file, so you can reopen it any time, even after the script has finished running. To set this up, you'll need Python installed along with the library's requests, pandas, Folium, and the OpenSky API wrapper. All of these can be installed with pip. This tool can be used for educational demonstrations, air traffic monitoring, or simply for fun if you enjoy watching live flights move across the globe.